Good morning, my name is Erica and I'm a senior solutions engineer at a leading technology company in the e-commerce space. Today I wanted to talk to you about the best software demo script formula for beginner solutions engineer. This is something that gets trained if you do the demo to win training or some other popular trainings, and it's the most effective formula to make sure that your demos are well received and you can use it really in any situation where you are demonstrating a capability of your software. So without further ado, this formula is called the tell, show, tell formula. What does that mean? So there are three components to this formula. The first tell means that you tell your client what exactly you are about to show them. So you may say something like, what you're about to see is how you can save time and money in your customer service by using this specific tool. And you're going to see exactly how you can easily receive customer messages. You can use our ticketing system to sort these messages and assign them to the right customer service rep, and then how you can keep all the information in this ticket so that the issue gets resolved really easily. So that's your tell part. So you give them a brief description of what they're about to see. Why? This is so effective because it lets them imagine and prepare themselves for what they're about to see. And they will be able to navigate and orientate themselves better in the software if they know exactly what's going to happen. And especially if they know what's going to happen kind of phase by phase and what are the different steps of that workflow that you're going to show. The second part is the show. So this is where you're actually showing them the capabilities. Here, a couple of tips. First of all, make sure you don't go too fast. So you don't want a lot of clicking around, moving from one page to the other, but you want to make sure that you go really slow, step by step. And as you show, you tell them exactly, you're showing them exactly how to go from one step to the other. So that's the show part. And then the final part of the formula is the tell. So what does this mean? So the tell is when you tie it back to what they just seen and you summarize what they've just seen. So what you can say is, what you've just seen is how you can easily and effectively manage your customer messages, and you can make sure that all of the customer messages are promptly resolved. And as you can see with what you've just seen is that with our software, this is extremely easy because of X, Y, and Z. And what is really important in this last component of the formula is that you recap on the benefit and the value of the solution. This should tie back to your discovery. And if you don't know what that is, or you've never done one, I've got videos on my channel, I can link them here. You should tie back to your discovery and to what are the pain and the challenges that you have found out. So ideally, the benefits that you're mentioning in this last tell part tie back exactly to the challenges that they're facing today, and they're solving these challenges and addressing these challenges with your software. Here it is, the tell, show, tell technique. And how do you put this all together when you're doing your demo? So of course, your demo is not just one of these tell, show, tell, but this formula should be used in any component of your demo. So let's assume your demo has 5 different customer journeys. And I would suggest doing persona-based customer journey. If you don't know what that is, I can do another video on this. So let's say you cover 5 different workflows. Each of these customer journey, you can use this formula to introduce it. So here's what you're about to see. I'm about to show you how X, Y, and Z. Then you show it. And then you summarize what you've seen and the benefits and how these benefits tie back to the challenges, the goals and objectives of the project and your discovery process. So I hope this video was useful. If you want me to cover other topics, including demo and discovery tips and tricks, let me know in the comments below. I'm going live every single morning on an unedited, one take video where I talk about one topic in the world of pre-sales and sales engineering. So I hope to see you tomorrow.